Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make these awesome hot cocoa cups. Yep, you heard that right, hot cocoa cups. So if you have made the hot cocoa bombs, these are going to be awesome. If you want to learn how to make these beauties, stay tuned and I will show you how. So you really want to be prepared first. And I use this chocolate. You can use any chocolate that you like. I happen to like this one because it does dry faster. So you can use, I'm doing the vanilla and the chocolate. I have marshmallows here. This is Sweet Creations. I found this at the Dollar Tree. And then you can just use like these. These are peppermint twist. And then I have these designs. So you can put any design on it if you want to put a design on it. And we've got our hot chocolate. This one is candy cane. I have the pumpkin spice. And then just regular. And here I have some peppermint, crushed up peppermint. And I'm going to use this as like a handle for the little cups. The other day I made these, that one, and this one. Also, I'm using these cups. This is a 3 ounce. I found these at the Dollar Tree as well. So it's the 3 ounce ones. That's the ones that you want to use. So I'm gonna do 5. Now what I did, you can do this in a double boiler or just do it in the microwave, which is faster. What I did was put my chocolate in here. I put a little bit of coconut oil just to kind of thin it out a little bit. I put it in the microwave for 60 seconds, mixed it, and then put it for another 30 seconds. And it's ready. So what I do, get your cup. I do put enough of that in there. And then all around. Making sure it gets it all. And then just let the excess drain out. I'm going to do this 2 times. There's that one. Do that with the rest of them. And now that these are done, these are going to go into the freezer, and then I'm going to show you how to do the top of it. For the top, I have a plate, and here I just have a piece of parchment paper. And what I do, I get a cup, and I'm going to cut just this piece right here. Straighten it out. Place it like this, like this. You can use just one and then keep making it, you know, once that one's done, or you can cut out more. But for now, I'm just gonna do this so I can show you. Put a little bit of chocolate in there. Shake it so that it gets all around. And then this goes in the freezer. Now that these are firm and everything, we're gonna do it one more time. The same process. This one's ready, so I'm going to show you with this one. This is the top, so pretty much you just lift it up. There's your top. This one, you're going to cut right there. And then just go around. And it comes right out. For this one, I'm going to use the candy cane hot chocolate. And because this is already chocolate, you don't need that much. So I'm just going to put about this much. And in here, I'm going to add the peppermint twist marshmallow. We can put 3. I think 3 will fit. And I'm going to put a little bit of this crushed candy cane. What I did here is I warmed up this plate in the microwave for 2 minutes. Go like this. Put it on top. Press it down real lightly. So there's that one. For this one, I'll do the pumpkin spice hot chocolate. Same thing. And I'm going to use this holiday tree marshmallow. I'm going to add these sprinkles, heart-shaped. Now, if you wanted to, you can do, like a little design in the front. So I'm going to put it like that. And I'm just going to swirl it. Since this is the peppermint one. This one, I added the snowman. Just add some chocolate up here. I'm going to put the straw right there in the middle. And then you're going to just start adding marshmallows to the sides. If it doesn't stay, just dip it in the chocolate. And put it back. And then just kind of squish it together. And then I'm going to add just a little bit more marshmallows, like right here. I'm going to place that there. And for the drizzle on top, I'm just going to get this spoon, and then just go like this. And you're just going to do that with these, same thing. On this one, I added like a handle right there. And I'm actually going to add it to the other ones too. So the way I did that I cut pretty much just with my finger. So I left this low and this a little bit high because it's gonna go like this. And then just dip it in the chocolate. Put it on the side. And then just wait until it dries. And there's the little handle. That cute. So it's a cup with the handle and the straw. I'm going to continue to do them all like that. So you're going to just get creative with it. You can do the white ones. The white one I did like this one. And then here, I didn't put that much marshmallows like here, but that's fine. And then I drizzled it with white chocolate, and I don't know if you could see it, but I have some glitter on it too. So pretty much just be creative with your cups. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it without the top. If you don't want to put the top on, then that's fine. I'm going to show you how to do it without, and it comes out just as cute. And this is without the top. And I did end up putting the handle on this one too, and I have a Christmas tree here. So you can do it with or without. So I'm going to show you. So I put some hot chocolate in here. I put some peppermint, crushed peppermint in there. And I'm going to be using this spoon. This is a peppermint spoon. So that way, when it goes into the hot chocolate and all this melts in there, you can stir it with this spoon. So we're going to stick that spoon in there. We're going to toss some marshmallows like that. Okay, and then what I do here, I just dip the marshmallow into the chocolate, and then I start adding it up here. So and push it down a little bit, but be careful not to break it. Keep going around. Okay, that might be good. Let me just add one more right there. Okay, there's that. Now if you want to put the tree, just put some chocolate in the back of this. That's going to seal it. Okay, there's that. And I'm going to show you how to put the handle. There's this handle. I'll turn this around. Just dip it in the chocolate. Put it right there. You're going to leave it there for a little bit because it has to dry. Now once it's on there, just leave it alone and it'll continue drying. And there you go, with the without the top. So either way, these are so cute. And there you have it. Not too bad. It's pretty easy to make. And all you do is heat up some milk very hot and drop that baby in there and let it do its magic. I hope you all enjoyed. Take care. See you next time.